Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be using the Norvina palette to create a quick and fun summer look. I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade Base, and I'm going to go ahead and put that below my eyebrow bones. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip into shade Incense, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in the crease and blend it all out. This color I didn't show on the screen, but I'm going to go ahead and take the color Soul, which is a cool purple, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in the crease. I'm also going to go ahead and continue building that up. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that pink shade called Wild Child, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. So here you're going to notice that I do have a little bit of an issue building this color up. So I go ahead and take a Fix Plus spray and wet my brush with that and try to build it up that way. Eventually I end up using my fingers. So for this part I didn't show what I took, but I took a Wet n Wild liquid Katsu eyeshadow in the shade Mystic Dreamer and put that all over the lid. I wanted the pink to pop out even more. I'm going to go ahead and dip back into the shade Incense, and I'm going to put that on my lower. Now back to the shade Soul, and I'm going to put that right on top of the shade Incense, way closer to my lash line. Now I'm going to take my ColourPop Supernova shadow in the shade Lucky Penny, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners. Kind of want to give it a little bit of more of a pop in the inner corner to tie this look together. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip back into the shade Base and put that on my brow bones. The crazy part is that I didn't realize that I'm doing this for a second time. For the final parts, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes with my Tweezer Man Curl Lash. And I'm going to go ahead and use the mascara Bad Gal Bang by Benson. Now for lips, I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Sway Matte Lip Liner in the shade Mason. And I'm going to go ahead and line up my lips. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, the Les Chocolates from L'Oreal Paris in the shade. Here's the shade. Oh, Sweet Tooth. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video featuring none other than the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I hope you guys enjoyed this summer look that I created. And if you would like to watch more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. See you guys.